everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that I think is a little confusing for a lot of students, a lot of emerging artists, and that is originality and taking classes from other artists. When you learn from an artist, you're learning shortcuts for things that they've done over and over again. One thing about taking those classes is that you're learning techniques, you're learning ideas, you're getting inspired. But if you want to make original art that only you can make, you have to make a lot of art. You have to make a lot of mistakes. You have to use a lot of supplies to get to a point where you are making original decisions in your work. And that's how you produce original paintings. No one can teach you a step-by-step tutorial that's going to produce an original painting. Originality comes from you making your own decisions that are based on your own experience with all of the other paintings from the past that you have experimented with and painted. Some of those would be really good paintings. Some of them are going to be really bad paintings. But that experience is what is going to give you the confidence that you need to make the decisions that you need to make in order to create something that is original and just yours. What you can gain from teachers is inspiration, techniques, motivation, and encouragement to make your own choices. As a teaching artist, I can't create that uniqueness for you, but I can help you to find ways to extract your own unique ideas and style and voice and abilities and use it to create original paintings that you are proud of, that you love, and that you can continue to build and grow and produce and create your own way in this artistic style and ability that only you have. This video is a time lapse of one of my tutorials that I did in my painting group called the Creative Community, and I'd love for you to join us. This is a place where I encourage you to do just that, to find your own unique way of creating art. If you'd like to join us, there's a link in the description box below.